The iPhone 11 is a popular smartphone model that is widely available on various online platforms, including eBay and similar platforms. If you're looking for a second-hand display for the iPhone 11, here are some key points and tips to consider. 1. Compatibility. Ensure that the display you're purchasing is specifically designed for the iPhone 11 model. Compatibility is crucial to ensure proper functioning and fit. 2. Condition. When browsing for a second-hand display, carefully assess its condition. Look for listings that provide detailed descriptions and images of the display to determine its overall quality and any potential issues. 3. Seller reputation. Before making a purchase, check the seller's rating and reviews. This will give you an idea of their reliability and the quality of products they provide. Look for sellers with positive feedback and a good track record. 4. Pricing. Compare the prices of different listings to get an idea of the average market value for a second-hand iPhone 11 display. Be cautious of extremely low prices, as they may indicate counterfeit or damaged products. 5. Return policy. Check the seller's return policy before completing the purchase. It's important to have the option to return the display if it doesn't meet your expectations or if there are any issues. Finding a second-hand iPhone 11 display on eBay or similar platforms is relatively straightforward. Here's how you can do it. 1. Visit the eBay website or open the eBay app on your device. 2. Enter relevant search terms in the search bar, such as iPhone 11 second-hand display. 3. Refine your search by selecting specific criteria, such as the condition, used, location, and price range. 4. Carefully read the descriptions and seller information. 5. If you find a suitable display, you can place a bid if it's an auction-style listing or use the Buy It Now option to purchase it immediately. 6. Follow the provided instructions to complete the transaction and make the payment secure. Remember to exercise caution when making online purchases and use secure payment methods to protect your financial information. The iPhone 11 is a flagship smartphone released by Apple in September 2019. It comes with a range of features and specifications that make it a popular choice among users. Here is some information about the iPhone 11. 1. Design and display. The iPhone 11 has a sleek and modern design with a glass front and back and an aluminum frame. It features a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina HD display with an IPS LCD panel, offering a resolution of 828 by 1792 pixels. 2. The iPhone 11 is powered by the Apple A13 Bionic chipset, which is known for its exceptional processing power and efficiency. It comes with 4 GB of RAM, allowing for smooth multitasking and app performance. 3. The iPhone 11 boasts a dual camera system on the rear, consisting of a 12-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It supports various features like optical image stabilization, night mode, smart HDR, and 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. On the front, there is a 12-megapixel true-depth camera with features like portrait mode and 4K video recording. 4. Storage and battery. The iPhone 11 offers 3 storage options: 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB, allowing users to choose based on their storage needs. It is equipped with a 3,110 mAh battery that provides all-day battery life, and it supports fast charging and wireless charging. 5. Operating system and connectivity. The iPhone 11 initially launched with iOS 13 but is upgradable to the latest iOS versions. The device supports various connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, GPS, and Lightning USB 2.0. 6. Other features. The iPhone 11 includes Face ID for secure facial recognition, Apple Pay for convenient mobile payments, and stereo speakers for enhanced audio experience. It is also water and dust resistant, with an IP68 rating for up to 2 meters of water resistance for 30 minutes. Please note that prices and availability may vary depending on the region and the platform you choose to purchase from. It's always recommended to visit official websites or reputable retailers for the most accurate and up-to-date information on the iPhone 11. Finding a second-hand display for the iPhone 11 on eBay or similar platforms can be a straightforward process. Here are some resources and information that may help you in your search. 1. Carousel.sg. Carousel is a popular online marketplace where you can find new and used iPhone 11 devices, including displays. They offer a range of options with different prices and conditions. You can visit their website here, https://www.carousel.sg/category/mobile-phones-gadgets-215/mobile-phones-12355/iPhones-11235/iPhone-111-series-214 for more information. 2. Compasia. Compasia is a platform that offers second-hand iPhones, including the iPhone 11 series. They have a collection of Apple devices, including displays, and you may find suitable options there. You can browse their offerings here, https://compasia.sg/collections/apple. 3. Mr. Mobile. Mr. Mobile provides iPhone 11 screen replacement services in Singapore. If you're specifically looking for a screen replacement rather than a second-hand display, you can consider their services. More details can be found here, https://www.mrmobile.com.sg/product/iPhone-11-screen-replacement. 4. Riabello. Riabello is another platform where you can find new, refurbished, and second-hand iPhone 11 devices. They offer different colors and conditions, and you can check their website here, https://reblo.sg/collections/apple-iphone-11-pro. Additionally, it's essential to perform a thorough search on eBay or other online platforms by using relevant search terms like iPhone 11 second-hand display to explore available options. Don't forget to consider factors such as compatibility, condition, seller reputation, pricing, and return policies when making a purchasing decision. Please note that prices, availability, and specific details may vary over time and depend on the individual sellers. It's recommended to visit the provided websites and platforms directly for the most up-to-date information and options.